In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Pinterest account without email. We'll walk through this together step by step, and by the end, you'll have a brand new Pinterest account set up using your Google account without typing in any email address or creating a separate password. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the main Pinterest website. You can simply type Pinterest into your search engine and click on the official Pinterest link. Once the page loads, you'll land on the Pinterest home or landing page, where you'll see a mix of images and a few options to either log in or sign up. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button that says Sign Up. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Pinterest lets you choose how you want to create your account, and this is the key to doing it without entering an email manually. When the sign up box appears, instead of typing in an email and creating a separate password, look for the option that allows you to continue with Google. It usually appears as a button that says Continue with Google, followed by the name on your Google account. Click on that button. A Google pop-up window will appear, asking you to choose which Google account you want to use. If you only have one Google account signed in on your device, you'll likely see just that account. If you have several, they will all be listed here. Click on the Google account you want to connect to Pinterest. This is the account Pinterest will use behind the scenes, so you don't have to manage another username and password. Sometimes you'll see a final confirmation pop-up asking you to select or confirm the account again and allow basic permissions. Simply click on the same Google account again to confirm. This step links Pinterest and your Google account securely, and it's what lets you skip the traditional email sign-up process. After you confirm, Pinterest will automatically take you into the account creation flow. Here, you'll be asked for a few quick details to personalize your profile. One of the first things you'll need to enter is your birth date. Make sure you select your real birth date, because Pinterest uses this to confirm that you meet the age requirements for using the platform. You may also be asked for basic information like your gender, language, or country, and to choose a few topics you're interested in, such as recipes, home decor, fitness, or travel. This only takes a minute, and it helps Pinterest show you pins and ideas that match your tastes as soon as you start using your account. When you're done filling in these quick details, Pinterest will finish setting up your profile and take you straight into your new home feed. That's it. You now have a Pinterest account created without manually entering an email, all set up through your Google account and ready to start saving and organizing your favorite ideas.